What's up, guys? I'm here doing a unboxing for an order that I made through Bullion Exchange. Picked up some American Silver Eagles during their 4th of July sale. I believe, if I remember correctly, the sale was to get American Silver Eagles $4.99 over spot for the 4th of July weekend, which I jumped on. I mean, I literally ran to my laptop to jump on this sale, just because of where spot prices were, over spot prices were premiums were for American Silver Eagles since the whole pandemic hit. I mean, it got crazy to, at one point, you're looking at $10 over spot or more for an American Silver Eagle. So when I saw that Bullion Exchange had the 4th of July sale for $4.99, I jumped at the opportunity. And it just came in today. This is actually the first time I've ordered from Bullion Exchange, if I'm not mistaken. I get my sites mixed up a little sometimes, but we're going to open this bad boy up. And it's actually packaged very well. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but packaged very well. So I do appreciate that, Bullion Exchange. This box open. And as I'm recording, very nicely, make sure you guys can see that, packaged, nice, safe, secure packaging. And I checked silver prices today, and they were at $21. And when I purchased these, silver spot was at about 17. So that 4th of July sale was right on time. And of course, I'm having trouble opening the freaking packaging, which I guess is a good thing. Let's see. I wonder if they just gave me a full tube, because I ordered 20. Yep, they gave me a full tube. So that's pretty cool. Again, I ordered 20 American Silver Eagles. I wasn't sure if they were going to send them in plastic or if they were going to give me a tube, and they did give me a tube. So I am grateful for that. This is the first time I've actually ordered this many American Silver Eagles at one time, so I wasn't sure what to expect. And prices were a little more stable when I first started getting the Silver Eagles versus now, where prices are all over the place because demand is all over the place. So there's one stack. Oh, these things are packed in tight. Oh. All right, so there's all 20. But again, I've been having a great time actually stacking silver and learning a lot about silver and the different coins and bars and things of that nature. Look at that, freaking beautiful. Is there a more beautiful coin than American Silver Eagle? I do not think so. And these all are 2020 coins, which are probably going to wind up being short printed because of the, I hope you guys can see the year in there, because of the closure of the mints for a good part of this year. So very happy. These are very clean, very shiny. I'm glad I did choose to wear gloves when doing this unboxing. But is there anything more beautiful than American Silver Eagle? Look at that. So yeah, this is my unboxing. Like I said, I got 20. I got a full tube. This is by far my biggest silver purchase to date. Look at that. Just want to make sure they're all here. Not that I don't trust you, Bullion Exchange, but things happen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 American Silver Eagles. There it is, folks. But yeah, so I'm pleased with Bullion Exchange. Customer service was great. Price was great. Packaging was phenomenal. They actually do a little bit of incognito work in regards to the labeling on the package, so I guess people don't figure out what's inside of it. So that was cool. I had no idea what this package was because of the label, but I'm pretty sure that's, by design. These guys been doing it a long time. But yeah, 20 American Silver Eagles. This is my unboxing, my first unboxing video for silver, and my largest silver purchase to date. So I am very pleased with this. Very, very pleased at the price that I got, especially given where the prices are today. Ooh, I dodged a bullet by not passing on this 4th of July sale. So leave me notes in the comments if you guys picked up any silver for a good price lately. Let me know. Just love to hear you guys' thoughts on these 2020 Eagles, and on the process, where you think silver is going, all of that good stuff. And thanks for checking out my video. Check out my other silver videos that are on my YouTube channel. I want to actually start posting some card videos as well, because I collect cards, baseball, basketball, football. Just got this in the mail today as well. Albert Pujols rookie card, graded to 9.5. He's about to break some records this season, even in a short season. So if you're into cards, this is a good one to pick up. I got this in today too. But anyway, thank you guys for checking out my silver video. Check back for more silver videos. Leave me comments, suggestions, anything regarding silver. I'd love to hear and read, because I am fully immersed in collecting silver at this point. Thanks guys, and see you again.